today, I'm gonna give y'all a few tips and tricks on how to build the right team for your music career. Let's get to it. Now, building a team is essential for your music career. Some of the roles you want to consider filling are manager, lawyer, booking agent, publicist, producers, and a few other areas. Before you actually start considering filling these roles, you want to identify your needs and areas that you need the most help with. Is it songwriting or production? Is it the business or legal side? Is it booking a show? Now, once you start to see what areas you need the most help with, you can start filling out these roles. Now, the best way to get started is pretty simple. Network and collab. If you're at a studio, maybe check out some of those other rooms, see what other producers or songwriters are in there that you can link up with. Check out some of the local talent shows, some of the local open mics, and, perform, network. You never know what manager could be in the crowd. You never know what lawyer could be out there checking out your music. So it's your time to shine. But also stay small. Don't try to hunt down, Cortez Bryant, Lil Wayne's manager, thinking that he's gonna be the next person to put you on. Don't go to Universal Music Group trying to find the hottest entertainment lawyer, thinking they're gonna put you on, because most likely they're not. Start small, stay amongst your peers, so to speak. In addition to starting small, also make sure that you're working with people that are very passionate and enthusiastic about your music. If they don't care about your music or your career, what makes you think that they're actually gonna help put you on? They might be there just for the bag, so make sure that people like you, your brand, and your music before you start putting money in their pocket to help you. Now you got your team together, everybody loving you, your brand, and your music, and y'all about to take off. But always make sure that you're clear about your expectations and that you guys are communicating regularly. That way nothing crazy can come on down the road about, oh, I didn't understand this is what you wanted, or I didn't really know this is what you were expecting. You don't want that smoke. So be clear up front and also communicate. And from there on out, you should be good about building that team. So if you like what you heard today, go ahead, smash that like button and click subscribe. It really helps us out and also allows us to keep providing you guys with valuable tips and tricks for your music career.